who killed my friend Dap Cupper. And why? But how could my fingerprints come on his cup? I haven't killed my friend.
Yes, I trust you. You are a kind man, you wouldn't do such things.
The only way to get out of here is on medical ground. So what is your plan?
Someone asked you about your past health history, said that you are a kidney patient since 5 years.
Seems like I'm on the red bus. Why are you alone? Where's your other company?
It is none of your business.
This is not the way to the police station. You are driving in the wrong direction.
Just keep quiet. I know what I'm doing.
This is Roger. Where are you, Tango? Confirm your location.
Tango here. I am behind you. Just keep moving.
Why are we not driving with the other police vehicles?
Because you talk too much. Wait here. Let me pee.
What? You want to pee now?
Shut up and just sit. In case, if you need a fresh air, there is a key underneath your seat.
Are you kidding? Oh yes, here is a key. Why is he taking so long? And why did he give me a key? This is a good opportunity to escape. No. What if it happens to be a trap? Everything looks like not normal. Alert all units. Accused Mr.Larry has escaped on the way back from hospital. Find him, if necessary, shoot at sight. Now what is this? They are going to shoot me, without any word. Should I wait them to come and kill me? No. I must escape. If I have to live. Mrs.Larry, your husband will be in big danger now. He must have not escaped.
Officer, there might be a misunderstanding.
A bigger misunderstanding will be if you don't cooperate with us.
I don't want any trouble to my husband. He is innocent. Please help him.
Did your husband contact you since he escaped?
No, sir.
I wouldn't repeat the consequences if you gave a false statement.
I swear.
Fine. How long your husband and Mr. Dap Cupper were friends?
I don't know exactly. They had been friends before my marriage.
And how long your husband and Mrs. Dap Cupper know each other?
What do you mean? Why are you putting Mrs. Dap Cupper with my husband's name?
Just answer my question.
I don't know.
Don't you know, Mrs. Dap Cupper is also missing since the escape of your husband.
What?
Nothing could be hidden from our investigation. If you're also found in the crime, you two will be punished.
Sure.
You may leave now. But you must not move out of station. Our men are watching you.
Larry, now you are in the headlines of every news reports. The police are also searching you everywhere.
That doesn't surprise me. But thanks, you risk yourself to help me.
Of course, we are best friends. So I'm here, but you must not stay here longer.
Have you brought the things that I asked for?
Yes, they are inside this bag, but listen. I had informed the police that we are about to meet here. Now they might be on the way. Don't get me wrong, the police had already warned me to inform them, if you happens to call me.
I understand.
But I come ahead, so that I could aware you, and give you your stuffs.
Thanks.
Do you know? Mrs. Dap Cupper has been kidnapped.
What? If it happens to be the one who killed Dap Cupper, then Mrs. Dap Cupper's life is also in danger.
But rumors are spreading that you are the one behind her kidnapping.
This is a well-prepared plan. One thing is sure, that they don't want me in prison. Instead, they want me dead.
You have to leave.
Yes, give me the bag.